Think about your day. Think about your months, your weeks, your years that we have been going through, and if is there anything that is kind of stagnant, that is kind of constant in our life, as we just switch from the task to task, as we switch from the opportunity to opportunity, there's a one thing that is absolutely kind of stagnant, and our modern education system just forget to teach us. What is that thing? It is how that we can make our failures, how we can make our mistakes obsolete. Means if there are any mistake or if there any failure that might sway you, that might ruin you, just because we have this kind of belief in our head that failure is a kind of bad thing. But I don't think in that way. If and only if we have a milestone, we have the proper milestone to attain or to make that failure or mistake obsolete. So I have designed the 5 steps, also called this ABCD, right? So number first is acceptance. So we really need to take care of that. Whatever the situation might be, we really need to accept that particular situation. We really need to make true and make honest to ourselves. All right, I just did this mistake. We do not need to make ourselves ruin, or we do not need to make ourselves ill. So acceptance is the first step, is the first key. Number second is bring in healthy practices. Now what this means is, and this is the part where most of the people stuck, where most of the people play wrong, means every time when we feel bad about something, we just get hooked on television, we just get hooked on any particular device that we might think of that can renew us or that can make us happy. But no, we need to bring in an addition. Healthy practices means connectedness with nature. I really love and care about when it comes to renewing ourselves from failures to success. Number third is just collect data. Means just start collecting the data about the companies, about the individuals that would have failed at their past and how they overcome that particular situation, and that particular story would definitely help you to renew from your failures, to renew from your setbacks, because these stories are so much inspiring in itself. These stories are so much kind of inspiration in itself that will help you not in the present time but in also in the future to make any freaking failure freaking obsolete. Number 4 is definition of failure. Means if you talk about any particular pioneers or inventories, they have their own definition of failures. Let's pick up Thomas Alva Edison, right? He just publicly said when he succeeded at building up his own thing that I have not failed, I have just found 100 ways or 1000 ways of not doing this problem in a same manner or in a failure way. So that is his definition. Bring up with your definition. How do you think about failures or setbacks? Make a commitment and just bring it any particular paper and make a commitment on that paper that what do you think about this failure, a setback that you have just got. And contain that: A, acceptance; B, bring in new healthy practices; C, collect some data from any freaking company; and the D is that you need to come up with your own set of definition. What do you think about the failures or setbacks? And E is execution. Whatever the data, whatever the situation that you might have collected, now you need to bring all of this in a proper set of bucket or in a proper set of box and execute on your own path. That's it from my end.